What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about a NIO, a Workhorse, and a penny stock with the ticker symbol LPCN. I'm going to go over in detail if NIO and Workhorse stock have a potential to double within the next few months and the next few years. I'm also going to go in detail and talk about what are the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow after we do a quick stock market recap, guys. So I'm going to go over all this important information coming up. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, guys. So as you can see over here today, guys, NIO stock has been on a bull run and it went up 19.17%, close to 20% to the upside. And there's been a lot of activity in the stock, and there's been a lot of buying and selling going on, and the volume that was traded today was above 290.6 million shares. And the main news that came out for this specific company that drove the stock to go to the upside is because an analyst upgraded the stock from a sell to neutral, and they announced a price target of $16.30, and the analysts that associated these upgrades were related to UBS. So that's why the stock significantly spiked up to the upside. Now let's look at what is the potential for this company in the future. As you can see, the 52-week low for this company at one point in time, it was $1.19, was trading way below that at some point last year too. As you can see, the stock has significantly, we're on a bull run for the past few months. It hit a high of $15.90. Now it broke out. So does the stock has more room to go to the upside? Let's look at exactly what analysts believe about this company. So when you look at in detail about the thesis and also some of the anticipation for the future of the price target for NIO stock, the average price target for this company is $90.19. So that is huge, guys. That's more than like double, like triple, guys. So the number of people, the number of analysts that rated this company is 15. So out of those 15 analysts, their price target average is $90.19. So there's they definitely see a huge potential for this company. And as you can see, five of those analysts rate this stock at current price point as a buy right now, and 6 of them rate this stock as a hold, and the other 3 of them are saying that it's a sell right now, and the mean is basically to hold this company as this specific price point. So that is fantastic to see. If you're somebody that is super bullish on NIO stock, you know they came out and they reported their earnings. They had a phenomenal earnings, you know, so they beat expectations. As you can see, the stock spiked up to $15 to the high that it had over there, but unfortunately sold off to the downside. But they proved that they actually have capital. That was the main thing. They have issues in the past, especially with cash, and they said that they have cash to sustain the company for the next coming year, and they'll be able to deliver the cars and deliver the orders that they have right now. So that is fantastic when they have the cash flow to produce cars, and that can help them to beat expectations. And of course, when they beat expectations, a lot of people see there's potential for this company to become profitable in the future. So that's why there's been a lot of sentiment change for this specific company, and I see a really solid future for this company in the future too. So expect that the stock can definitely have potential to double in the future and triple. You know, that's what the analysts are saying. That might happen within the next few years, within the next few decades, guys. Just like Tesla stock in the past, you know, as you see, Tesla stock right now is like $2,000. You know, when it IPO'd, you know, there's been a lot of issues that the company had to go through to become profitable, and now it's really doing fantastic and phenomenal, guys. So now let's move on to the other company that had a really fantastic day to the upside, of course. That is Workhorse stock. So Workhorse stock today, it's up 10.81% to the upside. So it had a really phenomenal day, and as you can see, the volume also was present. So that is really great to see. There's been a lot of buying and selling going on. So on average, it traded above 29.5 million shares today. So there was not a lot of big news that came out that made the stock to spike up to the upside. But however, based on the volume and some of the chart patterns that you can see over here, people are speculating that this might be caused by day traders or institutions, adding to their positions because the stock is right around the support area of like $15, so it's getting edging closer to that. So institutions might add to their positions, and people that wanted to day trade the stock, they can definitely risk off a $15 area to get a good position on, and maybe swing trade it for a potential swing trade too. So that is a good thing to see. So, but yeah, definitely keep an eye on Workhorse stock. Of course, the main thing that we're expecting is that the USPS contract, and also they have a multiple partnership. They can get involved with Amazon, Walmart. So if they can get any deals from these companies, the stock can definitely skyrocket. And I also covered a video about it yesterday, that they can potentially be bought by Amazon or Walmart because they have a drone technology that is advanced. Not a lot of companies are doing this, but Workhorse not only is an electric vehicle company, but they also have the feature of drone technology available to them. So in the future, that's going to be the way that things are going to be delivered, and Workhorse definitely has an edge when it comes to that, guys. So that is really fantastic to see. Now let's look at the other company that I'm going to be covering in this video. Is going to be ticker symbol LPCN. So LPCN is a penny stock, and it has an FDA related news coming out on Friday, and the stock has been really trending to the downside. So as you can see over here, even today it went down 16.28%. So there's been a lot of bullish sentiment for this specific company. So the analyst came in and talked about if this potential drug is going to be passed on Friday, that can definitely increase the sales for this company for over $275 million, with a peak of royalty landings at around $50 million, as you can see over here. So that can definitely drastically improve the profitability of the company. That is with these biotech companies, when they have this one product that is super solid, they can definitely use and leverage that product, to go exponentially to the upside, and they can increase their revenue, and that can help the stock and the company to grow faster. When you look at all of these vaccine stocks, they're not even working on, they don't even have a vaccine yet, but just because of a hope, the stock can definitely spike up to the upside. But when they initially have a solution for the vaccine, the stock can definitely, see a huge spike up because their revenue is going to increase, and they're going to be making a lot of money by providing a solution for people. So this company also is going to can potentially be able to trend to the upside if they can get past this drug. But too, of course, Facebook was the one that was leading the way today. In the past, it was Amazon and Tesla that was just breaking out significantly higher, but today Facebook stole the spotlight, and Apple pulled back a little bit, 0.82%. Microsoft, Amazon also was one of the major runners to go to the upside. We got the financial sectors that was relatively positive. We had a report that came out from the home sales numbers. Even though they were positive, the sector really did not react as expected. It did not sell off, but it really should have done better because their numbers were really good. The real estate sector did not really react to the home sales numbers. So, but as you can see, it's still edged a little bit higher, but we're expecting much better results from this sector. And the energy sector, of course, they've been trending to the downside, and XOM is down minus 3.17. ExxonMobil, this company is also going to be removed from the Dow, and they're going to be replaced by another company. So that's why the stock also went down 3.17% to the downside. Yeah, Boeing down minus 1.99%, but overall, we'll see what can potentially affect the stock market today for tomorrow. Now, let's look at what are the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow. So for August 26th at 8:30 a.m., we got the durable goods orders report for the period of July. The previous was 7.6%, and the median forecast was 4.8%. At 8:30 a.m., we got the core capital goods orders. It's going to be for the period of July. The previous was 3.4%, and the forecast is 1.3%. At 10 a.m., we got Richmond Fed President Tom speaks, and also at 3:25 p.m., we got San Francisco Fed President Mary is going to be speaking. So all of these times that I talked about is going to be Eastern Standard Time. So pay attention to the specific reports. They can potentially affect the stock market either to the upside or to the downside, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you drop in the comment section below. If you want to support the channel, you can go and join the Discord chat and sign up on Patreon too. And also sign up for Webull if you want to get free stocks if you deposit $100. That is going to help you out. And make sure you have a solid plan before you get involved in any of the positions. When you open a position, make sure you have exactly what is your that you want to be risking, the risk price point that you want to set out, your stop loss and everything. Make sure you have a solid plan, guys. So I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Let's get it. Peace out.